SATO. Assembling, Processing, and Production Solution. SATO assembling, processing, and production solutions help improve efficiency as well as quality. Accurate dispatching provides the precise quantity of items required to the assembly line at just the right time. While traditional processes can result in irregularities, SATO refined process ensures smooth operation under all conditions. Digital tracking of processing and installation allows for improved customer service and trust. We identify potential bottlenecks and increase total throughput by centralizing our process data, which is then analyzed for refinement. Our system creates labels which remain legible and traceable even after exposure to high temperature, chemicals, or long-term outdoor use. Our machines can print large amounts of information in a tiny space with high accuracy.